What if PC gaming could become more portable? It can happen anywhere. As in, what if we could do LANs, tournaments, and gaming events anywhere? Stop the boat. Let's even think about doing content creation, literally from anywhere, from streaming to editing videos on the fly. I'm so excited to talk to you today about the future of all that and how it's possible with the Intel NUC9 Extreme. So, what makes this so special? Why can this do all of that and more? Well, this is the first Intel NUC to support an unlocked 9th gen processor, the Intel Core i9-9980HK. It as well supports PCIe X16, a slot for a discrete desktop style GPU. It supports up to 3 4K displays and additional displays supported because of the discrete graphics. It has Wi-Fi 6, 2 Intel LAN ports, HDMI 2.0, and 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. All this is so important to note, as this is the heart of why we're able to get a high-end gaming PC in such a portable format. So going to conventions in the future, gaming events, including LANs and esports events, this PC will not only be able to handle all, but be able to excel at doing it all too. The Intel 9 Extreme is a high-end gaming PC that is game-changing in so many ways. Being esports and events myself, I see the value of this product for the future of live events, esports, and gaming as a whole. Imagine how easy esport events can be with these minimal setup, and it would streamline the whole process. It's portable and can be deployed anywhere, easily from a convention show floor to a gaming expos to show off the latest in gaming, to future esport events where competitors can just throw this on their back, shoulder, and bring it with them anywhere. BYO PCs are back. Now, as a content creator and gamer, I personally see the value in not only a high-spec build, but where this can go. As shared, the Intel 9 Extreme is the first NUC to feature 9th gen unlocked processor, the i9-9980HK processor, which features 8 cores and 16 threads. This is amazing for gaming, especially with the onboard Intel Ultra High Def Graphics 630. Most games being featured at gaming events and expos run easily on this, especially games like Rocket League, Fortnite, and other free-to-play titles. Of course, to make it the ideal gaming machine, you can max out the memory, or RAM, with up to 64 gigabytes of 2666 megahertz SODIMM. And this is even more geared towards a content creator at that point. With the Intel processor and memory, this makes it an easy mobile workstation and work hub for the on-the-go professional in video editing and photography, especially with those 4K displays you can attach. So, gamers, esports pros, and content creators, this should definitely be on your radar. And especially the on-the-go lifestyle from events, conventions, creating content, this just might be for you. So, I hope you learned something today about the Intel NUC9 Extreme, and hope you take something away with it. There's a lot to know, a lot to learn, and we hope you enjoyed this video. So until the next one, friends, goodbye and good gaming.